kids. Hope you all are fine and having a great time with your family. Today we will learn about weathers. Weathers are the great blessing of God. Sometimes it's sunny, sometimes it's cloudy, and sometimes it's rainy. When the sun's out and the sky is blue, it's a great time to play outside. Sun gives us light and warmth. Also, it helps us plant to grow. When the sun is out and the weather is pleasing, it's a great time to go to the beach. Do you like to go to the beach? And also go to the picnic. It's a great time to have a picnic with your loved ones. Oh, cloud cover up the sun. It's a cloudy weather. It's a cloudy weather. When the clouds cover up the sun, it's became cloudy weather. Cloudy weather. Oh, it's raining outside. Which weather is this? It's a rainy weather. When it's rain, we should have to wear our raincoats and to enjoy the rain. Wind is blowing. Which weather is this? Really good. It's a windy weather. Windy weather. Kids are enjoying in the windy weather. Now, which weather is this? Snow is falling. It's a snowy weather. We should wear warm clothes in snowy weather. Do you like snowy weather? Today's video we learned so many amazing weathers. So, this is all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay connected with us and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye, my little kids.